welcome back to episode 2 of Vegan Midweek Meals. Episode 1 was for our vegan burgers, so you're welcome to go and check out that video now. But today we're making a mushroom bolognese. And it's a really simple recipe to put together, but it really does deliver on flavour. And I'm going to show you a few scientific steps. So let's get right into this recipe and let's get right down to it. So we're going to use a process that extracts the most amount of flavour from these mushrooms as possible. So we're going to blitz our button mushrooms right down to a rough texture. And this is going to jump up the surface area as we place these into our pan, and we're going to get these mushrooms really deeply caramelized. These will go through a few steps of releasing their water, and then the mushrooms will start to dry out and then start to crisp. And this really unlocks all the meaty umami characteristics of the mushroom. So standard ragu, we're going to add our diced onion and some shredded carrot. Once that's been cooked out, we're going to add some cloves of garlic and some tomato puree. After a couple of minutes, we'll add our peeled San Marzano Italian tomatoes and just gently crush these to form the basis of our ragu. Okay guys, so we have our ragu, which is just gently simmering away. I've also placed some water on to boil to blanch our pasta in this dish. So we have our pasta, our ragu, and we just need to round out and finalise this dish. So I'm going to be making a vegan Parmesan style cheese. And I'll be doing that by just chopping cashew nuts, nutritional yeast and salt together to form this rough crumb. So that nutritional yeast has a cheesy quality. Now to finish our ragu and really level up the flavour and enhance the umami savoury characteristics, I'm going to add some mushroom ketchup and just finish with some freshly chopped parsley. And our ragu is done. Now to plate. We have our blanched pasta, top with your meaty mushroom ragu. Just finish with our Parmesan style cheese. So here's our vegan bolognese. Done. Thanks for watching this video guys, I hope that you have enjoyed it. Please make sure to show your support for the channel by liking and sharing this video. And to not miss the next video in this series, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification so you know when that next video is coming. I'll see you next time.